Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money online using Ria. Let's get into it. First, sign up or log in. The first step is to get into your account so the system knows who is sending the money. You need to use your secret keys to enter your private dashboard. Go to the website and click the button to join or sign in. Type in your email and your password to open your personal workspace. Because it keeps your information safe, you have to be logged in so the system can remember your details to make sure it is really you who is moving the money. It ensures that your private files and money stay protected every time you use the tool. Next, pick the amount and the country. You need to decide how much cash you want to send and where in the world it needs to go. Type the numbers for the money into the box. Pick the country from the list where your friend or family member lives. It helps the computer show you the exact price and how much the other person will get. By picking the country now, you can see the latest rates. It ensures you know exactly what is happening with your cash before you send it. Next, choose how to pay and receive. Now you need to pick how you will give the money to the system and how the other person will get it. Look at the choices like using a card or a bank account. Pick if the person should get the cash at a store or have it sent to their bank. This is the most important part because it determines how fast the money gets there. By picking the right way to pay, you are telling the system how to process your request. And then just type in the full name of the receiver and hit the button to send. And that's it. To send money in Ria, you must first log into your account to stay safe. Then, you pick the amount and the country to see the price. Next, you choose how to pay and get the cash to fit your needs. Finally, you enter the names and send to finish it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.